If Steam is throwing error 84 on your PC, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick and simple fix that usually gets Steam working again in just a few minutes. This is a great first troubleshooting step because it clears out stock Steam processes that may still be running in the background and causing the error to appear. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Steam as usual. Once a Steam is open, look at the top left corner of the window and click Steam. From the menu that appears, click Exit. This is important because we want to fully close Steam before clearing anything else in the background. Sometimes Steam looks closed, but a few processes can still be running, and that can trigger error 84 when you try to launch it again. Now press Ctrl, Shift and Escape on your keyboard at the same time to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in the simple view, click More Details so you can see the full list of running apps and background processes. In the Processes tab, look for anything related to Steam. You may see Steam Client Bootstrapper, Steam, or other Steam processes running. Go through the list and end all Steam processes one by one. To do that, click the Steam process, then click End Task. Repeat this for every Steam-related process you can find. Once all Steam processes are closed, the next step is to restart your PC. A full restart helps clear temporary system issues and makes sure Steam starts fresh when you open it again. After your computer restarts, wait for everything to load fully, then open Steam again and check if the error is gone. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix Steam error 84. If the problem was caused by a stuck process or a temporary glitch, restarting Steam after ending all background tasks should let it launch normally. If you still see the error after following these steps, take a moment to make sure Steam was completely exited before restarting. You want to avoid leaving any Steam-related process running in the background. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable, because Steam can sometimes act strangely if it cannot connect properly during startup. The main thing to remember is this: close Steam, end all Steam processes in Task Manager, restart your computer, and then open Steam again. That simple sequence fixes this issue for a lot of users. If this tutorial helped you fix Steam error 84, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.